Have you ever wondered how your body fights millions of germs every single day without you even noticing? Right now, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites are trying to enter your body. Yet most of the time, you stay healthy. Why? Because inside your body exists one of the most advanced defense systems in nature, the immune system. In today's video, we will explore the immune system is innate immune system, adaptive or acquired immunity, important immune cells like lymphocytes, neutrophils, macrophages, and dendritic cells, antigens and antibodies, and how hormones affect immunity. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how your body recognizes enemies, remembers infections, and protects you for life. So stay with me until the end, because this topic is one of the most fascinating systems in human biology. Immune system. The immune system is the body's defense network that protects us from harmful microorganisms and diseases. Its main function is to detect harmful invaders, destroy pathogens, prevent infections, and remember previous infections. Pathogens include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. The immune system is made of cells, tissues, organs, proteins. Important immune organs include bone marrow, thymus gland, spleen, lymph nodes, and tonsils. The immune system works like a military defense force. Think about it. Some soldiers patrol constantly, some attack immediately, others gather information, and some remember past enemies. This is exactly how immunity works. There are two major types of immunity: innate immunity, adaptive or acquired immunity. Let's start with the first line of defense: innate immune system. The innate immune system is the body's natural and immediate defense system. You are born with it. It responds quickly whenever pathogens enter the body, but it is non-specific. That means it attacks any foreign invader without identifying the exact pathogen. Characteristics of innate immunity: fast response, non-specific, no memory, and present at birth. First line of defense. The body first tries to stop pathogens from entering. 1. Skin. The skin acts as a physical barrier. It prevents microorganisms from entering the body. 2. Mucus. The mucus traps germs in the nose and respiratory tract. 3. Tears and saliva. These contain enzymes that destroy bacteria. 4. Stomach acid. Hydrochloric acid kills many pathogens entering with food. Second line of defense. If pathogens enter the body, immune cells attack them. This includes neutrophils, macrophages, dendritic cells, inflammation, and febrile. Let us understand these cells. Cells of the immune system. 1. Neutrophils. Neutrophils are the most abundant white blood cells. They are the first immune cells to arrive at infection sites. Their main job is engulf bacteria and destroy pathogens. This process is called phagocytosis. During infection, blood vessels expand. Neutrophils move toward infected tissue. They attack microorganisms rapidly. However, neutrophils have a short lifespan. Millions die daily while protecting the body. Pus in infected wounds often contains dead neutrophils and bacteria. 2. Macrophages. The macrophages are large phagocytic cells. The word macrophage means big eater. Functions of macrophages: engulf pathogens, remove dead cells, and activate adaptive immunity. Macrophages also release chemical signals called cytokines. These chemicals attract more immune cells to infection sites. Unlike neutrophils, macrophages live longer. They act like security guards, constantly monitoring tissues. 3. Dendritic cells. Dendritic cells are communication specialists. They connect innate immunity with adaptive immunity. Here is what they do: capture pathogens, react them into pieces, present antigens to lymphocyte tests. This process alerts the adaptive immune system. Without dendritic cells, the body would struggle to identify specific pathogens. They are extremely important for vaccine responses. 4. Lymphocyte tests. Lymphocytes are specialized white blood cells involved in adaptive immunity. Main types: B. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes cells produce antibodies. When activated, they multiply rapidly, produce plasma cells, release antibodies into blood. Some become memory B cells. These remember pathogens for future protection. Cells there are different T cells, helper T cells. They coordinate immune response. Killer T cells. They destroy infected cells. Direct memory T cells. They remember pathogens for faster future response. Lymphocytes give the body long-term immunity. This is why vaccines work. Adaptive or acquired immune system. Adaptive immunity develops during life after exposure to pathogens. Unlike innate immunity, adaptive immunity is specific, slower initially, and has memory. How adaptive immunity works: Step 1. Pathogen enters the body. Step 2. Dendritic cells present. Antigens. Step 3. Lymphocytes recognize the antigen. Step 4. B. Cells produce antibodies. Step 5. T. Cells destroy infected cells. Step 6. Memory. Cells remain for future protection. Immune memory. The amazing feature of adaptive immunity is memory after first infection. The immune system remembers the pathogen. If the pathogen enters again, response becomes much faster. Disease may not even develop. This principle forms the basis of vaccination. Antigens and antibodies. An antigen is any foreign substance that triggers an immune response. Samples, viral proteins, bacterial toxins, foreign cells. Antigens act like identification tags. The immune system recognizes them as non-self. Antibodies are proteins produced by B lymphocytes. They specifically bind to antigens. Think of antibodies as guided missiles, targeting specific enemies. Functions of antibodies: 1. Neutralization. They block toxins and viruses. 2. Agglutination. They cause pathogens to clump together. 3. Opsonization. They mark pathogens for destruction. 4. Activation of complement system. They help destroy microbes. Antibodies are highly specific. Own antibody recognizes one antigen hormones, and the immune system hormones strongly influence immunity. Hormones are chemical messengers produced by endocrine glands. Some hormones strengthen immunity, while others suppress it. Cortisol is the stress hormone produced by adrenal glands. High cortisol levels suppress immune responses, reduce inflammation, and increase infection risk. This is why chronic stress weakens immunity. Thyroid hormones. These regulate metabolism and support immune cell activity. Sex hormones. Estrogen may enhance immune responses. Testosterone may slightly suppress immunity. This partly explains why immune responses differ between males and females. Melatonin produced during sleep supports immune regulation. Poor sleep weakens immunity. Let us quickly review. The immune system protects the body against disease-causing organisms. There are two major defenses: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Important immune cells include neutrophils, macrophages, dendritic cells, and lymphocytes. Antigens trigger immune responses, while antibodies target specific pathogens. Hormones also affect how effectively the immune system works. Your immune system is working every second to keep you alive and healthy. So support it by eating nutritious food, sleeping well, exercising regularly, managing stress, and taking vaccines when needed. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your classmates and friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next biology lesson.